Hey, what's up, y'all? Good morning. Today we're gonna be doing this Chevy Silverado. Be doing lifters because they're ticking, and I don't know, it might need a cam, maybe not, but we gotta take it out, inspect all that, make sure it doesn't need a cam. Well, I'll let y'all listen to it. We're gonna get them taken care of. New lifters, lifter trays, cat gaskets, all that good stuff. Check engine light on, obviously. 77,000 miles. But he says he doesn't drive it much, so. All right, put you on my chest. Let's get her done. Drain coolant, gas. Put that back in there. All right, good enough. Open this valve. Wax on, wax off. One way or another. Still kind of new to this. Bear with me. I don't have like 50 GoPros to put in every single angle. So make sure to subscribe, that way I can get better footage for y'all. All right, that one's out. What tool? It'd be like that. 8mm tray. This push rod bent. Oh, buddy boy, oh pal. We found a problem, boys. Look at that, yes sir. Oh my gosh, that's more bent than... Oh man, look at that. No wonder why it wasn't coming out. Sheesh, that's a good one right there. That's a souvenir. All right, check the other side. I like GMs. Just not active fuel management. 6.0 baby, yes sir. Well, that rocker fell. Floor was not good at all. Hey, there she is. I like that, I like that. Rockers are off, push rods are off. Now, get this head off. Oh, there's a ground back there. Ah, that's a piece of junk. Getting hungry, y'all. I'm getting hangry. Maybe I should just take it off from there. But I think about that. I'm telling y'all. I am telling y'all. You're hungry, can't think straight. So we're probably gonna break them all free first with the ratchet, and then use the impact. Let's get this one off. Looks like the or this one and get off. It's a whole workout. Be right back. All right, y'all. We're getting ready to pull this cylinder head off because this is the one that had the bent push rod, which is most likely the one that was creating the ticking noise because those push rods were good. Get this cylinder head off, get the lifter trays out, inspect the lifters and inspect the cam. And then we're gonna get something to eat and then take off that head. Luckily these are aluminum, so they're not too bad, but still wanna be careful as much as possible. Oh, come on, cylinder head. Get off of here. Oh, the exhaust. Always the exhaust in the way of everything. Come on. Oh, that's it. She's coming. I think it's stuck on the head gasket. Ah, man. Whew. She's up. Gonna get out of here for now. Get these lifter trays out of here. Do not want to drop these. That would not be a fun day. They fell in the crankcase. So you definitely want to be careful with these. Those rollers look okay. All these lifters look good. Get on the other side, shine a flashlight down. Cams look fine. All right, y'all. That's it. I'll be back later. Gonna go get some grub. All right, guys. Got both cylinder heads off. So found out the ticking noise was being caused by this push rod, and because it's bent, obviously. You see damage there. Which one? Right there on the lift arm. Yes sir. So that's the reason why it was ticking. Fortunately, it was not the lifters, but we still recommended doing the lifters, lifter trays, and obviously that push rod that's bent. And the reason why this got bent is because on these 2014 and up models, the geometry of the valves and rockers are set differently to where, like the LS based engines, the push rod would sit straight up and down from the lifter to the rocker straight. Now on these, the push rod sits a little bit of an angle, so that's where we're finding problems with these, where causes the push rod to bend. So either way, we're doing lifter trays. The cam is good, so I mean, we're here doing all that, doing the push rod, and gonna get all that back together. All right, y'all, we back. Finally got all the parts for this thing. It was sitting outside for like two and a half weeks. So now it's just time to get all the surfaces clean. All the parts are over here. Lifters, push rod, one push rod, all the gaskets and all that. We have both heads. So I'm gonna get everything clean. And this is what the cylinder heads look like before cleaning. This is the only way you should be cleaning heads and blocks. Razor blade and razor blade only. I got the block done. Show you what that looks like. As y'all can see, fresh, nice and clean. Both sides, nice and clean. That's what it's supposed to look like after. I'm gonna get these clean and get the intake ports clean, and also the exhaust ports, which are on the other side. So I'll go ahead and do that. And this is the final result. As long as you don't feel anything, you're good. Those are good to go. Go ahead and put the lifter trays in there and lifters and get to reassembling. So here we go. Alright y'all, heads are on there, torque, all good to go. Now we go ahead and get these push rods, soak them in oil, throw them in there where they were. And then we get the rockers on there, torque those down, and that's it. Alright y'all, got the rockers on there, both sides, torqued. This is not a how-to video, more of entertainment. There is certain procedures that you have to do when putting the rockers on, and like sequences, torquing things down. Remember that. So now we're just gonna get these valve covers on there. Swivel 10. Wow, wow. We have reached 0, so now close it, take it out. Pressure. Check engine light went away. Ticking noise is gone. Y'all remember what it sounded like before? Play it back for y'all. And of course, this is what it sounds like now. Oh yeah, she's running smooth, right around 700 RPMs. All right.